What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're going to go over Gala. This is a metaverse project. We're going to be adding it to our dollar cost average trade strategy. So if you're excited about that, smash that like button. Currently, we're sitting at 49 cents. We're up about 7.6 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 3.43 billion. 24-hour volume, 976 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. A little drink of tea, guys. Hope you're doing well. Hope the pets are healthy. Hope you have someone in your life that cares about you. I think that's important. All right, guys. So we've added buy zones here for Gala. You could market order into it if you want to, not financial advice. Use your own discretion. You don't have to use these exact buy zones. They're just for reference. So if you're dollar cost averaging, we have 48 cents, 36.9. We have 27.20 and all the way down here at about 11 cents. Do I think it will come all the way down to these buy zones? I don't think that's likely, but we're always prepared with our dollar cost average strategy. So if you're spot trading equal amounts at each level, brings down your average price halfway each time. If you're leverage trading, double your margin. All right, guys. So you can see there's a lot of accumulation right in this zone, a lot of buying pressure. You can see the bears are failing to push the price down any further here. And we have a little bit of an ascending triangle. We had a bit of a fake out. We threw back down into the pattern. It is a bullish pattern here, guys. So you would measure the body, and that would take you up to about 0.6889 for Gala. Now, if we were to break down here, it would bring you down pretty close to this level of support, our next buy zone at 0.369. It is a bullish pattern, but of course it can break down, 25-30% of the time. But as you can see right now, we've had our flash crash all the way down to this swing low, and now we're currently resting on the swing high. That's why I've added a buy zone here. If we hop over to the daily time frame for Gala, you can see we have this large symmetrical triangle. You could also say that this is a bull pennant here. So if you were to measure your flagpole for our friend Gala and you take it to your point of breakout, could bring you right up to the 1.414 extension, which is coming in here at about $1.19. So if we do break out of that pattern, that's a juicy gain of wow, about 100% for Gala. Beautiful pump. Gala just absolutely took off when all the news was released for a metaverse. Gala was like sleeping forever. Gala's already up basically 800% since that news came out with Mark Zuckerberg, and everybody jumped on metaverse here. You can see we're quite overbought on the daily RSI. We've come back down into a healthy range. We're holding the 20 EMA as support. Let's look at the weekly. You're probably not going to see much on the weekly here. Let me see if I can find an older chart for Gala USD. Let's try. No, I don't think Binance recently got listed. Bitstamp, no. We'll just stick with what we had there. Okay. All right. So the weekly, you can see the weekly EMAs haven't even shown up yet, just because Gala has just been listed on many exchanges here. So we'll go back over to the daily. So I think a lot of whales, a lot of investors are accumulating Gala right now. They're accumulating Sandbox, Decentraland, incredible opportunity to get into these projects. They've already had massive pumps, but now we've gone through quite a steep correction. So great opportunity. So we will be adding Gala here. I will be adding it to our Discord, DCA charts, which you can reference at any time, along with other projects, Phantom, Sol, Polygon. We also have VeChain, and we're going to be adding Gala. It's the price of a coffee, guys. You can sign up through the Patreon. We also have over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, and it's an incredible little community here, guys. So if you'd like to trade Gala with me as well, I trade over on Bybit. They have spot trading. They have leverage trading available, up to $4,500 in bonuses currently. All right, guys. So do watch this ascending triangle. Watch this ascending support line. If you see a bounce, do watch this level of resistance. If you do buy in here, one of our take profit zones is up here at 0.546. And that's a nice little trade opportunity here of, wow, guys, about 11-12%. Now, when I take profits, I never close my whole position at the first take profit zone. I'll just close a small amount. 25, maybe 50%, depending on the market structure, depending on how the market is looking. But I know Gala can be quite explosive here, but so I'd only take probably a small amount of profits personally here. If we look at the 1 hour RSI, you can see we've trended back into oversold here. So it is a good opportunity to start dollar cost averaging into Gala, in my opinion. You could wait to see if we come all the way back down to 0.369. But that may not happen for Gala. It'll give some future price targets based off the fib. As you can see here, we have that technical target, and then I'll drop in the 1.618 and the 2 extension. So the 1.618 at $1.42. We have the 2 extension coming in at about 193, or maybe we'll drop in the 2.272 as well. 2.272 coming in at 245 for Gala. I mean, metaverse is absolutely exploding. So once Bitcoin starts to get going again, I'm sure these projects are going to start exploding once again. So incredible time to start getting into Gala, in my opinion. That's it for this one, guys. Hope you found some value. If you did, smash that like button. Check out the Discord. Wow, my hair is a little bit wacky today. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.